Many foreigners try this dish and fail.
Today, I will show you the real home version. I am Malke, just a Chinese single man, cooking simple meals at home. No fancy food here, just real everyday Chinese meals.
Today we're making one of the most classic Chinese home dishes, tomato and eggs. It looks very simple, but trust me, many people mess it up the first time. Don't cut them too small. Mistake number 1. You still want to bite into real tomato pieces. When I was a kid, this was the most common dish at home. Just mix the eggs gently. No need to overbeat. A little more oil makes the eggs softer. Once the eggs set, take them out first. Many people fail because they don't cook the tomatoes long enough. A little salt helps the tomatoes release juice faster. And a tiny bit of sugar, a little Chinese home secret. Wait for the juice. Put the eggs back in. And now, they meet again. Nothing fancy, but perfect with rice. This tastes like home.
If you want to learn real Chinese home cooking, slow, simple, and honest, subscribe. 咱们下道菜见。